In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to do the grid technique, or what it means to follow the grid. The first thing you need to do is put your name, your class like 1A or 1B, and your table number. Next, you are going to label your columns and rows. This is very important. So across the top, I am labeling my columns with A, B, C, D on both grids, not just the one, but both of them. Next, I'm going to label my rows going with numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, all the way down on both the image I'm drawing and my blank grid. It's really important that you label your columns and rows on both your image grid and your blank grid, because you are going to match up boxes and coordinates, and you are going to copy the information from your image to your blank grid, and you're going to do so by aligning the area that you're drawing. So I started with 1C, then I find 1C, that same coordinate on my blank grid, and I'm copying the information within the box of 1C over to my blank box of 1C. Now, some of you are going to probably say, we did this last year. We did, but it was a 1-to-1 ratio. So it was the same size to the same size. Here, we're going from a little image and we're enlarging it. So we are building on the skill that we started last year, and we are advancing that. So just like with our final, we're going to take like a 5x7 image of you, and you're going to draw that bigger by like 12x18 or something. So it's the same concept that you learned last year that you're learning in this worksheet as well as on our final, which is looking at information within a box and then transferring that same information over. So you're not thinking, oh, I'm drawing hair. You're thinking, ooh, this is a curved line, this is a straight line, this is thick line, this is a thin line. This line goes through the corner and then it curves around to the middle of the box, or whatever it is. You're just looking at what is going on within one single box, and you're transferring that information over to your blank grid. You're copying it exactly. If there's a box that a lot is going on in, you can break it down into quadrants. So it breaks down a box into smaller sections, and then you can draw like what's in the top left, the top right, the bottom left, the bottom right, and it kind of breaks it down a little bit more precise. So as you can see here, the back side, it's the same exact thing, just a different image. So you're going to pick one of those and you're going to copy the image. If you get done early, you could always practice with the back side, but we will be turning this in on Canvas. So the more effort you put on this, the better your final is going to look and the better grade you're going to get. So good luck.